Hi, Gary here, the Texas Knife and Forge. It's just a hobby now. This is a no weld grinder, but it's been welded. Best way to build them. Cheap. You can put one of these in your shop. You can buy the plans from, I think it's USA Knife Makers. This one here is one that I have made. I've got 3 in the shop right now, this and 2 more on the bench over there. And I've made several others. We got 2-inch wheel here for an example. That needs to be a rubber contact wheel. We've got 1 wheel up here for alignment, 1 wheel down here for drive. We do not have the drive pulleys on this thing yet, so I can't spin it down. We'll change the belt, mash down, put your belt down, put it down, adjust a little adjustment here. This will have a different knob on it later, but you adjust this to get your tracking. What I normally run back here is like a 3-step or 4-step pulley. This is a 5/8 shaft. Most motors that I've seen for these, you need to run about a 1.5 horsepower motor, will have a 5/8 shaft as well. So you buy 2 of them and you fix them where they're not matched up, but they're opposite of each other, and that way you get different speeds out of it. I find that's very sufficient. You can put one of the RFI control, whatever it is, motors on it if you want to, but this is a great way to get started in knife making. I've made a lot of knives with these and have definitely more than paid for them. Stepped my game up a lot when I built the first one. The trickiest part of building them is this knuckle right here. This is the adjustment knuckle. There's a trick to that. After you build the first one, you'll get it figured out. Give you another example here, show you what all's going on back here at the back. It's very simple. We've got 2 pillow blocks back here. 5/8 shaft goes through it. It's got set screws to lock it in place. This can be adjusted a little bit like this depending on what you need to. We've got screen door spring right here. That's enough tension to put on these. This one's a little bit long. I think I'm going to have to trim it off about that much to give them a little more tension. We need to spin this up to see exactly what happens. Here we are from the side back here. Front side. 3-wheel grinder. Works great. You can build this. These 2 pulleys right here generally cost you $100 easily. This pulley up here, I use a 2-inch rubber contact wheel up there for all of my work. You can buy different ones, but the 2-inch works real well for the method which I use to grind knives. That one's about $60 if I remember right. Pillow blocks are probably about $10 a piece. And your metal here, the most important thing you got is this piece right here, which is a socket that the toolbar goes in. The toolbar is the other important part. I think you could weld this on the side of anything that was flat and structurally sound. For the base, for these uprights here, just key part is having this and your arm here for your tension and all parallel with each other. I think you'd be good. Don't exactly have to follow the 2-inch tubing, which is what all this is. This is light gauge here. This is 4-inch light gauge here. This is 1.5 inch. This is some thick stuff. I think it's 3/16. This is 2-inch 3/16. They socket together pretty well. The knuckle's made out of another piece of this right here. Imagine that. Having to be some scrap left over. Top arm, of course, is made out of the same material there. Like I say, the important part is this toolbar and this socket here. The rest of it, you can kind of engineer around it. Alright, there's your shop tip for the night. Thank you.